Deleting your transaction history on Cash App is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can delete your transaction history on Cash App. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you just need to follow these instructions. So first things first, open up the Cash App and then tap on your profile. Now scroll down and select support. Now tap on something else. Once you click on something else, tap on account settings. Now tap on delete your personal information. After that, select contact support and then chat or via email. Now you just have to select if you want to email them or you want to live chat them. It totally depends upon you. Now you just have to, talk to the Cash App about the information, inform Cash App support that you wish to delete your personal information and account, including your full name, email address, and all the things. So what they will do is they will review your request and they will process it within 30 days. Your account will be deleted if they approve your request. If they do not, you might have to add another request as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.